Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial management with QuickBooks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and sign in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your financial overview. To set up your company file, click on Create New Company. Follow the prompts to enter your business information, including your business type and financial details. After setting up, familiarize yourself with the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Dashboard to get a snapshot of your income, expenses, and profit. To track income, select the Sales tab from the menu. Click on Invoices to create and send invoices to your clients. Fill in the details, such as customer name, date, and items sold. To manage expenses, click on the Expenses tab. Here, you can record expenses by clicking on New Transaction. Choose the type of expense and enter the required details. Regularly updating your expenses will give you a clearer picture of your cash flow. To generate financial reports, navigate to the Reports tab. Select the report you want, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, or cash flow statement. Customize the report parameters to fit your specific needs. Click on Run Report to see the results. Review the report carefully to identify areas for improvement. Make adjustments to your financial strategies based on these insights. Finally, back up your company data regularly to prevent any loss of information. With these steps, you can enhance your financial management using QuickBooks efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.